So I have just installed TikTok and I get a huge number of notifications when I scroll down here. At the moment I have removed already the notifications, and I want to show you what you can do so that you would not get any notifications from TikTok. First, let's open the app. Then go on Me, and then you need to select the three dots. Then you need to go to the content and activity and select push notifications. In here you can see how many different notifications TikTok has got. So here you can choose. For me, I really don't want to get any notifications from TikTok because I don't use this app as often. So I just use it rarely. So I just touch them and all the green becomes gray. Scroll down, there are more. Just do like that. And all of a sudden, there is suddenly no notification from TikTok, and it's called push, which is very pushy. So now you just touch back and you're done. You can just touch one more time back and you're completely done. By the way, on TikTok, if you want to follow me, I am Bhupinder_Tube0. Somebody got Bhupinder_Tube already before me, so I went with Bhupinder_Tube0. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.